Hello, myself Mr. Vitthal Babasaheb Kedar from Abasaheb Kakade Arts and Science College, Bodegaon, Department of Chemistry. Today we will discuss the next topic, classification of nuclides. On the basis of their Z and En values, that is the atomic number and mass number, the nuclides are classified into four types: isotopes, isobars, isotones and isomers. In that case, one value is same and another two or three values are different: topes, bars, tones and mers. Then iso, in all cases same word. In first classification of nuclides, isotopes. In isotopes, same atomic number, nuclides having nuclides एक element, for example carbon, nitrogen, sodium and so on, त्या एका एलिमेंटला आपण त्या ठिकाणी न्यूक्लाइड संबोधतोय. न्यूक्लाइड्स हॅव्हिंग सेम ॲटॉमिक नंबर, दॅट इज झेड व्हॅल्यू, or it is also called as proton number, same atomic number but different mass number. Same atomic number but different mass number is called as isotopes. In that case, this value, that is atomic number, is same and this value, that is mass number, is different. Hydrogen 1 1, hydrogen 1 2, hydrogen 1 3. This hydrogen is called as ordinary hydrogen and these two hydrogens are isotopes of hydrogen. In that case, the mass number is different, that is 1 2 and 3. 1 hydrogen is called as ordinary hydrogen, 1 2 hydrogen is called as deuterium and 1 3 hydrogen is called as tritium, and these are the isotopes because of the atomic number same and mass number different, and hence these three are the isotopes of hydrogen. Then see another example of sodium. In sodium, atomic number is 11. In three cases atomic number is same but mass number is different, that is 22, 23 and 24, and these three are the isotopes of sodium. Sodium 11 22, sodium 11 23 and sodium 11 24. These three are the isotopes of sodium, and isotopes is called as the same atomic number but different mass number and different neutron number. This term is called as isotopes. Then next is second classification of nuclides on the basis of Z and N values is the isobars. In that case topes, in that case bars. In isobars, the nuclides having different neighboring elements, neighboring शेजारी, दोन शेजारी एलिमेंट. ह्या कंडिशनला इथं आपण जर पाहिलं तर आपल्याला एकच सिम्बॉल एलिमेंटचा दिसतोय, परंतु इथं दोन शेजारी एलिमेंट असणार आहेत, डिफरंट नेबरिंग एलिमेंट्स हॅव्हिंग सेम मास नंबर. इन बार्स द मास नंबर इज सेम but different atomic and neutron number, that is Z and N values. M, that is A, it is denoted by A, mass number is denoted by A is same and Z and N is different, and elements are in neighboring element, that is hydrogen, helium. These two elements are neighboring elements. Atomic number of hydrogen 1 and mass number 3, that is tritium, hydrogen 1 3. Then neutron number is 2. Simply formula to calculate neutron number: N is equal to A minus Z, then N is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, that is neutron number 2. Hydrogen 1 3, in that case the mass number 3, then neighboring element helium, atomic number 2, mass number 3 and neutron number 1. These two values, that is mass number is same, and these two values, that is atomic number different, neutron number different, and these elements is called as isobars. That is mass number same, atomic number and neutron number different. Then another example, carbon and nitrogen, both elements are neighboring elements, atomic number 6 7, then neighboring elements 1 2 neighboring elements. In that case, carbon 6 14 and nitrogen 7 14, atomic number different, neutron number different, but mass number same, that is 14, and these two are the isobars. Then third classification of nuclides on the basis of Z and N values is the isotones. टोप्स मध्ये ॲटॉमिक नंबर सेम आहे, बार्स मध्ये मास नंबर सेम आहे, लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी सोपी कन्सेप्ट आहे ती. आणि टोन्स मध्ये द न्यूक्लियाय or nuclides having same neutron number, that is N value is same neutron number but different atomic and mass number, that is Z and A values are different and N values are same. In three cases, Z same, M same, and in that case N same and other two values are different. Then example, hydrogen, helium. In that case, these two elements are neighboring elements. One hydrogen, mass number is 3, that is called as tritium, neutron number 2. In helium, 2 atomic number, 4 mass number, and then 2 neutron number. Then neutron number is same, and 3 4, that is mass number different, 1 2 atomic number different. And in that case, the only same, that is the neutron number, and this is called as the isotones. Then another example, carbon, nitrogen. In that case, carbon 6 13 and carbon 7 14, atomic number different, mass number different, but neutron number same, and this pair is called as isotones, that is same neutron number but different atomic and mass number. Then fourth one, the last classification of nuclides on the basis of atomic number and neutron number is isomers. In that case, the word used is isomers. Then two nuclide having same Z, N and A, that is atomic number, neutron number and mass number. These three are same, atomic number, neutron number and mass number are same, but different energy state. In that case, in isomers, energy states are different. For example, cobalt 16 M, that is the metastable, and cobalt 16, only 16, in that case there is no later used M, that is metastable, and these two are the isomers. In both cases, atomic number same, mass number same, neutron number same, that is cobalt 16 16, mass number same, then atomic number same and neutron number same. And in cobalt 16, only difference, that is the metastable state, that is energy state. In first use letter M, it is called as metastable, and then this cobalt, only cobalt 16, these are not metastable, that is difference in energy state. And then another example, bromine 18 M, that is metastable state, and Br80, in that case not used metastable state, that is atomic number, neutron number same, 35, then neutron, calculate by this equation, these two are same, atomic number same, mass number same, only difference the energy state, that is metastable state. And then these four types of classification of nuclides on the basis of their atomic number, neutron number and mass number, their example and definition, the basic chemistry most important point. Thank you.